So I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on your MacBook Neo, or how to install Minecraft. So this is very simple. Just go to your favorite browser and then just go to search and search Minecraft. From the results, just go to the official Minecraft website, which is going to be www.minecraft.net. So you want to click on that, and that should take you to the Minecraft website. Now from here, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on download. And then you have options. Okay. Now, if you've previously bought Minecraft on your PC, you can simply go ahead and download for macOS and just sign in with the same account. If you're 100% new to Minecraft, then you can buy Minecraft from here. Either way, you can simply download for macOS. So you want to click on that, and the download should start. You need to click on allow from the pop-up window, and that should initiate the download of the installable file. With the file installed, you want to double click on it to initiate the installation process. At this point, you can actually just close this, and then you can see Minecraft here. So what you need to do is simply drag the Minecraft icon into the applications folder, and that's going to install Minecraft on your Mac. Okay, so now go to Spotlight and let's try and launch Minecraft. You can see it right there. Double click on it, and that's going to launch Minecraft. Now it's going to warn you that this is downloaded from the internet. So just click on open because we trust this application. And there is Minecraft. So it's going to start with updating its own files. Once it's done with the update, it's going to launch. Then now all you have to do is sign in with your Microsoft account and play some Minecraft. Or if you're starting up, then you can just sign up for a Microsoft account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.